Sharon Welchel, filming here in Tustin, California from my crochet studio for my Etsy shop Starlike. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to crochet a Bobble-Type button. So first go ahead and grab your yarn, and then you're going to chain 16. And then you'll chain 2, and that'll act as your first double crochet. And then into the third chain from the hook, you'll add a double crochet. And then just go ahead and double crochet in each stitch all the way down. And when you're done, pull yourself a long tail and trim it. And then you're going to roll up your little strip here. Like that. And then using the longer end, you're going to thread your darning needle. And then start sewing your button together. Just sew all the way across. And then keep going across until you feel like the button is secure. Alright, and then when you're done, just put it up through the middle and then tie it together with the other string. We'll just tie a little knot. And I usually you leave these 2 strings there so that you can tie it onto something else. So that is how you crochet a Bobble-Type button.